All right, let's put the whole thing in. You got your head, you got your arms, you got your ribs, you got your feet, going from side to side. And a 5, 6, 7, and hit, and a look, and a hit, and a look. Other way, hit, and a look, and a hit, and a look. Once again, hit, and a look, and a hit, and a look. Switch, hit, and a look, and a hit, and a look. Now opening the feet out, heels go, heels side, 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 side. They just heels switch, and your weight shifts also. Double it up, and a side, 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 side. Just your heels, they're just moving side to side, and your weight is on your toes. Now let your body shift into it, and side, 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 and a shift, 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 shift. Now add your hands. They go flex, open, flex, open, flex, open. And side, side, let the body relax. Drop into it, and good, pull it back. And a side,